Relaxation to Prime Minister in some provisions of Model Code of Conduct. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcome: at the end of the session, the participants will be able to cite the provisions of Model Code of Conduct in which relaxation is provided to Prime Minister. Relaxation to Prime Minister in some provisions of Model Code of Conduct. The ban on the use of official vehicles for campaigning, electioneering or election-related travel during elections shall not apply to Prime Minister. The Prime Minister may do honors and host national flag at the Republic Day or the Independence Day functions from the national capital and state headquarters. During the election process, Prime Minister can use government-owned aircraft. Official staff of Doordarshan may be deployed for operation and transportation of teleprompter equipments to assist the Prime Minister in delivery of election speeches. Prime Minister can combine official tours with his private election campaign visits. Officers of state governments and district administration shall receive, see of, or call upon by way of protocol in the case of election tours of the Prime Minister. Police officers of all ranks, including DGP and district collector, have been permitted to remain present for attending to security related arrangements. The restriction regarding personal staff members who can accompany on personal or private tours shall not apply to the Prime Minister. In this educational video, we have learned about the provisions of the Model Code of Conduct which are not applicable on Prime Minister. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.